Once upon a time, there was a king named Nebuchadnezzar. He made a gold statue. When the music played, everybody had to bow. But the three men, I forgot the name, but yeah, didn't bow. So they put in this fiery furnace. They made it 7 times hotter. But there was a fourth one. It was God. And then he bowed to their God. The big idea is I am not alone. God is with us. So don't be scared the next time you see a spider. Or just pray to God. If you were like, yeah. But see you next time. If you want to check more videos, so out these suggestions. Next is